You've got everything you need for your painting project, you're raring to go, and get the job started. But, and I can't stress this enough, the most important thing to do first is have a cup of tea and a biscuit. Sit down, relax, and read the labels of all the paints, primers, and wood stains you're planning to use before you start. Resene has labels for all its products saved on the Resene website, www.resene.com/labels, so you can easily read the information on your device or on the can. It's also handy if you have drip paint all down your can and can't read the label anymore. You can also check out the datasheets online too if you want. Simply scan the QR code on the pack. Product labels give you valuable information about your products, how best to use them, the best rollers and paintbrushes to use, and vital things to avoid. Not a lot of people read the instructions. Taking this valuable time at the beginning will clear your head and help you focus on your project in the best way possible, so you can get the job done right first time. If you read the labels and you're not sure what's right for your project, use the free Ask a Resene Paint Expert service to get extra advice if you need it.